Ayan guys, sarado na sila dito, Marie France. So uuwi na tayo, close na yung mall. Kami na lang natira at yung security guard. Yun yung mga ano nila dito. Ayan, walang laklak yan, naka ano lang yan, kahit walang tap kasi hindi pwedeng nakawan. So, may security guard, may CCTV. Yan yung malaking bag. So ngayon guys, parking. So ito na yung parking. So hanapin natin yung sasakyan. Ayan. In another side, come.
What's the Pepsi?
On everything is well. Don't worry about your food.
You enjoy?
I need to drink my Pepsi. I need to drink.
Behind.
When you go to the house, you will eat and drink your Pepsi, okay?
We did not finish because they are closing.
10 o'clock. How to
My iPad fall down.
Lalabas na tayo.
enjoy? Too much?
But you're close, hala.
Hello, bye-bye, Central Mall.
Bye-bye, Central Mall.
Even the parking are closed, the light. Ayan, pinatay na nila yung ilaw guys, kasi guys, sarado na. Ayan, wala nang ilaw dito. Ayan, mayroong isa natira. Dalawa. So, palabas na tayo. Step. Ito na yung exit.
It's nice.
Ayan. May nakalagay siya na exit.
مبروك بابا. مبروك.
I get the A.
سنة أولى.
I I get the egg. It was going.
Wow, you get the egg.
It
You
was.
win eggs and you win lollipop كمان.
Wow.
It was gonna get hard.
مبروك.